Hello dear friends. In 2026, official reports indicate that the Islamic Emirate has taken steps to establish weapons production infrastructure. In 2025, a project called Afghanistan National Honor Factory was introduced as the largest weapons and military equipment production center in the country. This center has been established with the aim of military self-sufficiency and with the support of the Ministry of Defense of the Islamic Emirate to produce and repair various weapons and modern equipment. A major part of Kalashnikov production in Afghanistan is carried out in small workshops and arms workshops, especially in Kabul and border areas. In these workshops, Kalashnikov weapons and similar models are made and repaired by hand or using recycled parts. Reports have been published of the production of indigenous Kalashnikov models and light weapons by Afghan inventors and youth with the support of security authorities. Currently, most of the Kalashnikovs available in Afghanistan, models AK-47 and AK-74, are remnants of the Soviet occupation, imports from previous decades, or war spoils, and domestic production covers only a small part of the needs. While countries such as India and Saudi Arabia have official contracts with Russia to produce Kalashnikovs, in Afghanistan, production is mostly local, and several Kalashnikov factories are operating manually and locally in various workshops at border points and in Kabul. In general, Afghanistan's current focus in 2026 is on self-sufficiency in the repair of remaining equipment and the establishment of small production lines for small arms and ammunition.